Hello everyone. Right now I'm going to show you how to complete all your installation and downloads to attend the May 4th Java workshop at the Oracle office. So I sent you a PowerPoint attachment. So when you open that, on the second page you should see a link like this. So just go ahead and copy it and paste it in this URL in one of your browser, and once you do that you should go to a page like this. So from here go ahead and download JDK. After that, if you don't have the Flash player, just type download Flash player, hit enter, and then click on this first link over here, and it's here. Just follow the prompts and install the Flash player. And the last thing that you have to do is download Alice. So type alice.org like this, hit enter, and click on downloads and get Alice 3.1. So check which system you have and download the offline installer. If none of these works, because sometimes there could be security issues, just go ahead and get the universal installer. So once you complete the Alice download, you should get an icon like this on your desktop. So double click on that, and once your Alice opens, you should be able to see a template like this. So I'm going to choose the grass template, and once you choose one of the templates, your screen should look exactly like this. If you have a black screen over here, or your screen doesn't look like this, then that means there is something wrong with your installation, and you need to fix that. So go ahead and click on setup scene, and after you click on setup scene, you should be able to see different classes: biped, flyer. So if you click on the biped class, you can choose an object from here, and on this side you will get the properties of the object that you're choosing. So let's just go ahead and choose an object, and again your screen should look exactly like this while you're working with this tool. So let's just choose, make sure that we can customize this, and go ahead and click on OK. And there are like different handle styles over here. So click on default and see if you can move your object around. If you can't move your object, then that means there's something wrong with your program. You don't have enough memory. Click on rotation and see if you can rotate your object. Translation to make sure that you can move it left or right, and also resize to make it look smaller or bigger. You can also right click on this object, click on procedures, and see if your object is gonna move up or down. So I can say up, and I can choose an argument of 0.25, and your object should move up like this. So go ahead and click on edit code right now, and see if you can drag one of these procedures and put it in the code editor like this. Make it say hello, and if you run this program, it should say hello. There's also a event listener tab over here, so click on that and click on this drop down, and let's say I want to choose an event listener, and I'll use the keyboard for that, and I'll use the arrow to move my object. So drag this if else statement over here, choose true, get the is key over here, and say arrows up. So I'm basically saying that if my up arrow is pressed, my object is gonna move up by 0.5. Run it, see if it says hello. Press the up arrow key in your keyboard, and when you do that, your object should move up like this. If your system works like this so far, then your download went well and you are ready for the workshop. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.